Violet TV, how may I help you?
When you came on the scene, you were like the new name to know. It was all about this mysterious Dr. Barbara Sturm, and she was glamorous and beautiful and cool, and she had these products that were unlike anything else. And it was also just like a real palate cleanse. It felt like a real refresher because the products were so straightforward, scientific, but it's just what the packaging looks like. It's like a palate cleanse. It really started, I think, a new kind of era in skincare.
You know, I didn't come from the beauty industry. I'm a doctor, and you know, the reason why I came into beauty was basically I was intrigued. Like in 2001, I was intrigued because I heard there's Botox and fillers, and I was like, oh, I need to learn how to do that. And I created my own techniques, and I invented this blood facial, vampire facial, because I come from the orthopedics and I have all the science, and I wanted to translate something more valuable into this beauty space. So I brought the anti-inflammatory proteins into the space of beauty and injectables. And around the same time, I was super suffering with my own skin, and I had blackheads and super dry skin. I had to go to my cosmetic, my facialist every 3 weeks. Every time I went there, I got more products and new products and more and more and more, and I spent a lot of money on it, and nothing would work. And you know what was, when you say about the packaging, it said like 300 things on it. And I was like, okay, so what does it do? So I couldn't really understand. And then I said, you know what, I have to do my own cream. I have to just do it. And my grandmother was a pharmacist, so she gave me a bunch of ingredients, because when I grew up, I saw her mixing creams behind a counter, and she gave me some really valuable advice. And I went to my pharmacist, and we, made the concoction, and started doing the blood cream, the MC1 cream. And that fixed my skin overnight. So I started these products which I wanted just to work.
I'm surprised by some of the ingredients that you do not think are healthy for the skin, because we get so much education about how we need to exfoliate the skin constantly, like this acid, that acid, and that's not really on your program.
What's very interesting is that the dermatology created a new term called corneotherapy, and it means respect your skin barrier, respect your microbiome. And I mean, everybody knows there's a microbiome. We know it by now. It's in our gut. We take probiotics. But there's a microbiome on our skin. There's a microbiome in our genitals. There's a gut microbiome in our mouth, on our scalp. I mean, we carry so much microbiome with us, which means like viruses, bacteria, fungus, parasites. It's all on our skin. So if we now use ingredients which disrupt the microbiome and the skin barrier, then we make ourselves super vulnerable. So if we use ingredients like fragrances, mineral oils, glycolic, retinol, retin-A, acid peels. We do laser treatments. We do all kinds of this abrasive method, which not only takes like maybe the dead skin cells away, which is wanted, but even the healthy skin layers. And skin needs a while to heal back. When you strip your skin, it becomes like a waxy, shiny look. And when you have healthy, beautiful skin, it's a glowy look, it's a difference. So you basically make your skin like raw and create baby cells, and our cells need to go through a cycle of 28 days to become mature skin cells. And during the course of that time, you need to make sure these skin cells are hydrated in order to take on active ingredients. Because some people say, oh, hydration. Hydration is the key to healthy skin barrier. And I, with my formulations, really cracked the code to get this optimal hydration. And for example, hyaluronic acid is clinically proven to improve skin barrier function. Even the scalp serum, it's all hyaluronic acid based because it's such a great, powerful, hydrating ingredient. But if you look at skin, the skin doesn't stop here either. We have scalp, and our scalp is so sensitive.
Your scalp's like a big sponge. I don't think people think about that.
Yeah, and the way we formulated our hair and scalp line was, getting into the best performance and with ingredient science. So there's hyaluronic acid and cationic hyaluronic acid. Cationic means that it sticks to your hair. So when you wash your hair, the hyaluronic acid just sticks to your hair. It charged, it hydrates it. Like most of it hydrates it, but it sticks to it. It doesn't even wash off.
Well, the range is amazing. I mean, when I first heard about it, it's 3 different shampoos with corresponding serums.
Yes.
And it's everything you're talking about this sort of super anti-aging philosophy for the face, applying that to the hair and scalp. One of the themes that you come back to so often is the idea of balance, and that if everything is in balance, you don't really have any problems, you know? So
100%.
if your scalp's imbalanced, your hair's gonna look good. If,
That's the cure for everything.
So I think that's something that your products are always striving to achieve. Yeah.
Let's support our own functions in order to have it all in the best place, and then it also looks the best, it feels the best.
Yeah.
Then we solve all the problems.
I'm so glad to see you.
Thank you for coming by.
Dr. Barbara Sturm, the Dr. Barbara Sturm. You are famous now. I mean, skincare gurus, masters, doctors, whatever, are so sought after.
I think there's a big shift actually from, you know, where it was very, very chic and glamorous always to wear makeup, to looking natural and looking your best naturally and showing your skin. And it's almost like a status to have good skin. Skin obviously is very intertwined with our immune system, with our overall health. So I think there's a big interest in how to maintain good health in general and in particularly for our skin.
Let's pretend that you haven't designed my world-class Dr. Barbara Sturm skincare routine and prescribe it to me now so that we can can identify. So I'm going to tell you my number one goal is to look good. I want to look good and just have beautiful skin where I only need a little touch of maybe concealer in certain areas, and then I like a deep, dirty, smoky eye. Okay, so now you know my goals. Okay, so I wake up.
You have your coffee.
The first thing I do is go into the kitchen and get coffee.
Do you more tend to oily or dry skin?
I think I have really dry skin.
Okay, so then I wouldn't even cleanse in the morning. Then I would just take a shower.
No cleansing in the morning? Okay. Okay, so then what is my
So
step
you take
one?
a shower. What I often do in the shower, I mean like twice a week, is the ENZYME cleanser, which is an exfoliant.
Oh, you just told me I don't use a cleanser.
No, but that is just twice a week.
Okay,
And do
twice
it
a
morning
week.
or night.
Okay, twice
You know,
a week goes
I
over
just like
here.
it. You know, I'm just telling
This
you
at
because
night.
this is in the shower. You can put it in the shower.
Okay, I
Just
like
have it in
that.
the shower.
Step
So you like your hyaluronic serum. So I
love
would
it.
start with the hyaluronic serum. That's like the white T-shirt in your skincare routine. That's what you use morning and night. This should be always
I like that. Okay,
the
so
first
it's
step.
it's like the white
Yeah.
T-shirt in your wardrobe.
Yes.
So hyaluronic, let's just real quick, why?
Why?
Don't get too
Because
sciencey. Just like, what does it do? Why does it make me look better?
geez, I'm a scientist. It plumps your skin
Make it
right
look
away,
better. Plumps it right
hydrates
away. Instantly gratifying.
Instantly, you get like this
is what I care
amazing
about.
glow.
This is what I care about.
Okay,
Okay, so we'll do that. So, but there's two
interesting,
choices
though.
because we'll get into that later. I mean, you'll do it with somebody who cares. This one.
Yeah.
How do I use it? So we do a drop. Can I open this one?
Yeah, you do. Half a pipette is enough, and then I do it like this, and you pat it on your skin, and your eyes, and your neck, and your décolleté.
I love it, and it creates a glow. Plumps your skin, makes it
can
look
see it right
instantly good. Okay, step two. Step three.
Now it depends. Is there anything you want to target?
I want no signs of aging.
No sense of energy. You know, you could replace this one with the super anti-aging serum, which is basically this one plus.
But I can't replace this. I love this one.
You layer it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so that one. Okay.
So that is the good C. Wait, it's the next one.
Oh,
the
I
good
have
C,
this,
the vitamin C.
I am not pretending. I actually have this, but I do not know how to use it.
Yes. So
tell me.
with the C, because vitamin C is such a thing everybody wants to use, but most vitamin C serums, they're high concentrated with L-ascorbic acid, which is just very, very harsh on your skin barrier function. We want to protect skin barrier function. Most people are scared of vitamin C because it makes them like red and sensitive and everything. And you know, with this one, this is amazing even for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this is your vitamin C right here. And that's why it's called the good C.
I like the name. I love
It
the
makes
packaging.
you beautiful.
Okay.
And then that's your next step. And it's so great because it rebuilds collagen,
That
catching
sounds
free
good.
radicals.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. Does anybody know
It's
what that
antioxidant. Of course you know what it means.
means? I don't.
Come on.
But I know
Cassandra Grey.
collagen and I know brightening.
Okay.
And I know that's good. Okay, there we go. What else?
I want to use some sun drops.
Oh, yeah.
Especially in Los Angeles. I personally like to mix it with the super anti-aging.
Oh, that's what I do.
Cream. Yes.
I already know how to do that.
That's why it's called drops, because you drop it.
Yeah, it's so great.
into...
But let me just show me how you do
Do we
it.
have like a little spatula to...
Can I just use my beautiful long nails?
Okay, use your nails. You have a spatula.
I do. Built-in spatula. Okay, so I put like that much. 1 drop?
Right? No.
2 drops.
You do half-half.
Half.
So, and then you mix it. Yeah. And then together
And you
with
can't
the
get enough.
super anti-aging face cream, which I love, which actually mimics your skin. I use formulations which basically rebuild your natural skin, which is amazing because it just smooths.
Replicates. Yeah. No,
So
I
this really
love
targets 360 degrees of aging.
everyone wear your sunscreen.
What's also important with sunscreen, it
On
needs
your
to
neck.
penetrate into your skin. If it only sits on top,
Doing this without a mirror.
then it won't work. So it really needs to go into
So
your
you need
skin.
to soak it in your skin. And then do I need to put this on throughout the day, or is this going to last the whole day?
It depends what you're doing. If you go swimming, if you do sports, if you sweat, if you know,
I
it
go
depends.
to the couch.
Yeah, so then it's fine.
Hyaluronic. Good C. The combination of the sun drops with the super anti-aging face cream.
Eye cream.
Okay.
You want to know what it does?
Let's talk about the eye cream because it's like I already have all this cream. Now I need a special, another cream on my eyes. Why?
It depends. It depends. You know, if you want to, help with puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, it's nice to have like a separate little tool for around the eye area. You feel how refreshing and
it's
cooling
like
it is.
yeah.
It's so nice, no?
It is. It's very cooling.
Yeah.
It's very
Can even do a little massage.
You just have to like lean into the routine. So it's a lot of products, but as you heard, they all do their own special thing and they look so chic in your bathroom, in your medicine cabinet. Dr. Barbara Sturm, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for joining us. And until next time.
Hi everyone, I'm Charly Sturm and I'm here with my mom, Dr. Barbara Sturm, and we are live with Violet at your service and ready to answer all your skincare questions. Kimberly asks, for a 37-year-old with breakout-prone sensitive skin, what is the one must-have product from your line?
Oh, that is a hard one to answer actually. But one really great product would be the clarifying serum. It's a hyaluronic serum based formulation and soothes irritated skin and helps to heal breakouts. But it should be a whole routine. One product everybody should have is the hyaluronic serum.
I agree.
Yeah.
The next question, Joshua says, hi, you're incredible. It's very sweet. Question in regards to the eye area. I struggle with melia and find most forms of hydration to be too much for under my eyes. He's a 34-year-old male. What should I do?
That is a very interesting question and thank you for the sweet compliment, Joshua. So hydration will never hurt you, will never cause anything. So when you now talk about melia and hydration, you mean probably oiliness. So hydration is always good and you should hydrate as much as you can with hyaluronic serum based. Or, if you would change to our eye cream, it's super hydrating and at the same time not overpowering this area.
It's very light too.
Yeah, it's very light, but gets the job done with a massive hydration. So melias now, the way to get rid of them, you should not, because they're very deep, you should not try to extract this yourself because this area is also super sensitive. You would break into your skin barrier. So it's really important that you go and see a professional, a good facialist or whoever you trust to being able to extract that in the most gentle and most thorough way.
Next question, Melissa asks, best pregnancy regimen?
So, all our products are super safe for pregnancy. The normal foam cleanser, which is super hydrating. The enzyme cleanser for twice a week. And then every morning, every night, use the hyaluronic serum and a good moisturizer like our face cream. What's really amazing actually is the body cream for the belly. I have the best results for stretch mark.
Amazing. So Molly asks, hi, what should I be investing in if I'm just starting to get wrinkles? Slight forehead lines under my eyes and nasolabial folds.
What you definitely should have is a hyaluronic serum. It could be the hyaluronic serum or the super anti-aging serum because that boosts your immediate superficial hydration and long-term deep hydration in your skin, and that is really important to prevent from wrinkles and aging. This hydration part is so important. Another serum I would recommend is the Good C.
Love the Good C.
Yeah, good
collagen, right?
Boost collagen, and then pick a good moisturizer. Super anti-aging cream actually is insane. So yeah, hyaluronic serum, Good C, and super anti-aging cream. You're set. Yeah, thank you for submitting your question.
Great solution.
We have a really amazing solution. It's
really
right
good solution.
here at Violet Grey, so come and try it out.